This session is taught by project management expert and author Joseph Phillips. Joseph has been a project manager since the mid-90s, has managed multi-million-dollar projects, and he's the author of several books on project management. He's a project management professional, a Project Plus professional, and a certified technical trainer. Let's get started.
For some people, earning your PMP is like climbing a mountain. You have to do it alone. You're cold and maybe a bit scared as you don't know if you'll ever reach the top. But then, you did it. PMP. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. You passed the test and you're kicking it. Yeah, you're going places now, baby. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Joseph Phillips. Welcome to this quick course on how to qualify for the PMP exam. I get a lot of questions from people on do they qualify, or how can I qualify, or do I have enough experience? Well, if you're one of those individuals, or you're just curious about passing the PMP exam, this is the course for you. In this brief course, I'm going to walk through all of the requirements that you must have, your educational requirements and your work experience. We'll also take a look at what are the exam objectives and how you can study smart instead of studying hard. I'm going to share with you a strategy that I've shared in hundreds of boot camps that I've taught over the last 15 years. In my PMP exam prep, this is the approach that we use. It's how to pass the PMP exam in 4 weeks. That's right, 4 weeks. So I'm going to share that with you in this presentation. All right, let's hop in and look at the particulars that you must know in order to qualify for the PMP exam. Let's get started.